Today, the CEO of Sauresta visited the modern offices of our strategic partner Termolink in Kaunas. We believe in building strong partnerships because when we join forces, we build value, not just projects. Termolink brings deep expertise from designing complex heating and piping systems to installing chimneys, pipelines, boilers, and full thermal infrastructure. All this is handled by specialists from the early design phases through commissioning and maintenance. As we walk the modern and spacious hallways, we meet Termolink experts, the same team that plans and installs complete industrial heating and boiler house systems. We are always more than happy to discuss new opportunities and possible future projects. For Sauresta, partnering with Termolink means our high-quality chimney systems are placed in the hands of engineers who ensure seamless integration and efficient operation. Together, Sauresta's chimney manufacturing know-how and Termolink's complete heat engineering capabilities, we deliver sustainable and efficient industrial heating solutions that stand the test of time.